This is the Ercolina EC245P 5-axis plasma cutter. This machine features 3 specialized heads for cutting, engraving, and marking. Here, we are processing round tube. Watch how the simulation translates perfectly to the machine execution. Designed for the modern fabricator, the EC245P replaces traditional manual layout and cutting methods with robotic accuracy. It starts with the software. The EC245P uses an intuitive interface that lets you program complex cuts in minutes, not hours. With effortless software control and precision beveling, no profile is out of reach, handling heavy structural I-beam. Traditionally, coping beams like this requires hours of manual torch work and grinding. The EC245P masters both web and flange. By synchronizing the chuck's rotation with a dynamic, angling cutting head, it navigates complex geometries and tight spaces with fluid grace. Distinct from the engraver's bite, the marker head operates with a lighter touch. It applies industrial ink directly to the surface, drawing vivid, high-contrast layout lines and part numbers. It creates a visual guide without altering the integrity of the steel. The EC245P is a true multi-profile workhorse. You can switch between different material shapes quickly, maximizing your shop's throughput and reducing downtime between jobs. Experience the cutting edge of fabrication. Visit Ercolina-USA.com to learn more. Thank you for watching.